Hi students, welcome to chemistry online classes. The last class I discussed about the when aldehyde or carboxylic group wanted to any cyclic or that is ring, then it is named as first ring name followed by the respective. If aldehyde is there, carboxylic, if carboxylic acid is there, this carboxylic acid only we have to write. For an example here, this is cyclopentane. On this, we have aldehyde group. And according to our statement, first ring name followed by the aldehyde group name. So, what is the ring name here? This is called cyclopentane. That time E will be written here, there is no problem. And this aldehyde is known as the carboxylic. Similarly, if carboxylic group is present, COH, this is cyclic ring. On this, it is COH is bonded. Then first ring name followed by the what do you call it? Carboxylic acid name. That is called cyclo. Now this is 5 carbon is cyclopentane. This is 6 carbon is cyclohexane. Carboxylic acid. Don't use the oic acid here when they are bonded to a ring. Next, already we know the rules for the IUPAC. Now common names or tribal names. Common name, or it is also called tribal name. First, we will discuss about the aldehyde. Aldehyde common names are derived from their respective carboxylic acid. What is the respective carboxylic acid? If one carbon is there, carboxylic acid, that is called formic acid. Similarly, if one carbon aldehyde is there, that is formaldehyde. 2 carbon acid, that is acetic acid. Here aldehyde is acetaldehyde. So their respective names are there, but their name reflect in the Latin or Greek languages. That we will discuss in the one table. What is the common name? What is the IUPAC name? So simply you have to remember what is the common name. Whatever the respective carboxylic acid, their similar name will become here. Next, if ketones are there, this is aldehyde. Aldehyde common name is derived from respective carboxylic acids, and their name refers to the Latin or Greek languages. If ketones are there, then what are their common names? Generally, we know that formula of this ketones are like this. 2 groups are same, then we can say that is dialkyl. Dialkyl. This is ketone part. This is called ketone. Left side, right side, alkyl to same is that dialkyl ketone. One example here, CH3, C double bond O, CH. How to name this is according to this. This common name, not IUPAC. Dialkyl. Alkyl name what is it here? Methyl. Thus it is called dimethyl ketone. For example, here also phenyl C6H5, here also C6H5, otherwise we get pH. C6H5 there will be different pH. Okay, this is called diphenyl. 2 phenyl group same is diphenyl ketone. This is dialkyl, this is diarylic aromatic part. If unsymmetrically is there, RC double bond OR, this is R dash method. These 2 groups are not same here. When 2 groups are not same, that time we have to follow alphabetical order. Same we have to give the alkyl ketone only, but their respective alphabetical order we have to use here. Then follow here order of the alkyl group. One example we can consider here. CH3, C double bond O, CH2, CH3. This alkyl group name is known as methyl. This alkyl group name is known as ethyl. Alphabetical order. E first come or M first come. E. That's why first ethyl, methyl, ketone. This name is known as ethyl, methyl, ketone. But some of historical name is there. Now we know this is according to this. This is dimethyl ketone, but very well known name of this which one? Acetone. Instead of using dimethyl ketone, frequently we are using name what is that? Acetone. This acetone name is the historical name. If somebody given this name, so that is only still we are using this. Now this is about the aldehyde and ketones. Dialkyl, diaryl, sometimes alkyl aryl also is there. This is alkyl group, aryl group only is there. If sometimes alkyl also is there, aryl group also is there. That is called alkyl aryl group is there. If it is alkyl group, this is ketone. This is called ARB aryl group. Aromatic element. This is called like benzene CCH5. So if alkyl aryl groups are there, that its name somewhat different. This is called acyl group. What do you call this? Acyl group. Okay, acyl group. This is benzene. If acyl group is bonded to the benzene ring, then it is known as a phenol. For first prefix name is acyl followed by phenol. Acyl prefix followed by phenol. Simply, when I want to tell this is alkyl aryl ketones are if present, that time acyl group name first we have to use, that is prefix. First name prefix, next name that is suffix. Okay, that is prefix first we have to use acyl followed by phenol name. One example we can consider here. Like this. See, RC double bond to AR. AR means aromatic what is benzene. C double bond to C double bond is this. R group is which is taken here methyl. This name what is that? Acetyl form. Its name generally. That is known as acetone. This what is acetone. Then followed by what is the name? Phenol. Acetophenol. Common names are we have to remember because there is no some exact rules. Always we are going to be changing. That's what remember. If it is then like this, CH3, CH2, like here, how many carbons are there? 2. Here, one extra carbon increase. Then, what is the name? Acyl prefix followed by phenol. This acyl, this is not acyl now. Here, 2 carbons that is acetyl. It means overall this is what acyl part. Acyl group this is. RC double bond group, what is known as what is that? Acyl group. R name change in the number of carbons. 2 carbons acetone, 3 carbon propionate. That is called propio. This is 3 carbon, that is propio, and this is called phenol. Propio, phenol. If both sides benzene ring is there, for example, it is given like this. Then, like this, diphenyl ketone, but it is called, according to this name, acyl prefix followed by phenol. Now, this part is the R C double, R C double. R group which one here? Phenyl. Then total is called benzene group. It is phenol. If according here R C double or R, this type of group bonded to benzene ring, what is that? Acyl group followed by the phenol. So here this group is called benzo, this part, and this is called phenol type. Benzophenol. Anyway, somewhat difficult for you to remember this one. That's why practice this name. Estophenol, benzophenol. This is rarely will come. This one frequently will come in the competitive exam. So you have to remember this. Okay. So SI group followed by the phenol. That is the common name of when alkyl aryl group are present. Left side alkyl group, right side benzene group. Benzene group left side, alkyl group right side. It depends on that. How you are writing that. Next, sometimes this aldehyde group may be substituent, keto group may be substituent, because we know that so many functional groups are there. In that, carboxylic acid having the first grade, next the remaining esters and cyanides, next aldehyde like. So before that, some groups are first grade groups are. When they are first grade group, these are considered which one? Substituent. Okay. Then, if this is a substituent, what name you are using? Name formyl. When it is substituent, don't use the aldehyde suffix name Al. Al is a suffix name. This is a prefix name, formyl. When it is keto, we can use a keto also, or another name is oxo. Here also sometimes we can use oxo. But keep in mind, sometimes this is RC double bond. So now only I told you that what is the name? Acyl. RC double bond is the name acyl. Any one side group may be here. This is called acyl. But IUPAC's name is known as alkanoil. This is common name when you are writing. We have to use acyl group type. It is alkanoil is an IUPAC. For example, one carbon, it means this is only here HC double bond O is there. Common name is like what is that? Format. According to IUPAC name, alkanoid name, alkane name, one carbon is called methane, methanoid. Here, same according to this we have read alkane OL. Here, there is one carbon methanoid. If it is two carbons are there, that is called like CH3, C double bond H. That here its name is ethanoid. Okay? These are generally maybe confused for you. Test practice. These are very important for which of the following are correct IUPAC name if like is given. That these are very important. But nowadays the IUPAC nomenclature questions are very less. But unfortunately, if question will come, that time don't confuse. Always we have to remember what are the rules. In first year we will study all the rules, but all will not cover in the first year. Because chapter to chapter somewhat, step by step it is included in the IUPAC nomenclature rules. Now we will discuss about the IUPAC nomenclature of the few aldehyde compounds. Now first I am discussing about the aldehydes only. IUPAC. In IUPAC we know that alkane, remove E, add Al, total is known as alkanol. Al clearly pronounced as alcohol, not alkanol. Ol means alcohol, Al means aldehyde. Okay. Now here aldehyde formula, middle is IUPAC nomenclature, last is common name. Anyone, somewhere it may be middle common name, last IUPAC, that is your choice, that is whatever we don't have. For example, I will start with the 1 carbon, 2 carbon, 3 carbon. This is not very difficult to remember. We know that aldehyde. We have to increase the one carbon. That is what we need. Now, the first one, C double bond OH. HC double bond H. Already we know one carbon. According to this, alkane. One carbon alkane is methane. Remove E, add Al. Then what does it mean? Methane, E remove, add Al, methanol. But already one more statement also I told you that when aldehyde is there, no need to represent its number because always it is terminal number. Generally, alkane 2-ol, alkane 3-ol in alcohol we discuss the position of alcohol. Here no need to represent because it is always get the first number. First number no need to represent. So already now only I told you the common name how they are derived from their respective carboxylic acid. Formic acid with one carbon aldehyde is formaldehyde. One carbon aldehyde is formaldehyde. These names are generally frequently used in reaction name. Next, two carbon is CH3, C double bond OH. Observe here name, that is two carbon in here, ethane, remove E, add Al, ethanol. Its name two carbon carboxylic acid is acetic acid, that's why its name is acetaldehyde. Next, three carbon CH3, CH2, C double bond OH. Three carbon in here, that is propane, remove E, add Al. Propanol, common name is three carbon carboxylic acid is propionic acid. Then here this is propionaldehyde. Propionaldehyde. Next, four carbon, that is called here CH3, CH2, CH2, C double bond OH. Four carbon in here, this is called butane, remove E, add Al. Butanol, it is called butyroldehyde. Because four carbon carboxylic acid name is butyric acid. This is butyroldehyde. Formic acid means it is present in the red ant. Formic acid, red ant, that is in Latin or Greek language. Acetaldehyde, acetamine vinegar in acetic acid name. Propionaldehyde, first propionic acid, first fact, because how the names are derived. Butyric acid, it is come from the butter, that's why it is called butyric acid. The respective name is again we will discuss in their respective carboxylic acid when we discuss the English name of carboxylic acid. Now here onwards, branch not possible here. Now here branch possible because this is long carbon chain. That's why this is only I want to extend this as a branch CH3, CH, CH3. So 1, 2, 3 lines. So same number of carbon but increase one branch. This is called 1, 2, 3 number. Always aldehyde carries the first number. No need to give the check here left to right. Always aldehyde carries the first number. That's why 1, 2, 3. Here there is no lowest sum rule applicable. Because you know that when you give number left to right, is left to right, right to left, then which number is correct? Lowest sum rule is which gives that is correct. But here that is not applicable because always gets the first one. So 1, 2, 3. Second question mechanism. Then 2-methyl, 3 carbon in the chain. This is called propane, remove E, add Al, 2-methyl propanol. We know this is already in the alcohol chapter. I told you if you remember this isogroup and total number of carbon 4. Then is called isobutyroldehyde. Isobutyroldehyde. Next. One more branch is not possible here. If you try here, this is only same respect. stop here to increase the branches. Next with the 5 carbon, CH3, CH2, CH2, 1, 2, 3, here 4, and this is the fifth. Total 5 carbon. Simple name here, pen A, remove E, add Al, pentanol. This IUPAC common name is, in the last lesson we have given the name also. With 5 carbon that is called acid is valeric acid, aldehyde is valeric, alcohol is valeric alcohol. This is very important because that name is fixed in the 5 name, common name, not in IUPAC name. So valeric common name. Like as we can increase the brands, so many will isomer come. I am not increasing the brands. You can try yourself. Now with 6 carbon, CH3, CH2, 4, 1, 5 here. So what is the meaning of this? Like CH2, how many are there? 4. Instead of writing CH2, 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 all together we can write like this. Then total a normal change. Then it is called take 6 carbon, remove E, add A, hexanol. This is called caprolipide. These are the names we have to remember. Anyway, this name you can easily analyze. But common name compulsory, remember number of times repeating word because of frequently used common names in reactions. A is written B, B is written C. The C common name P. Sometimes you can ask like this question. So you have to remember this. Next, now I give you the single bond. Now we can go for the double bond. If double bond is present, what will happen? Then CH2 double bond CH2 CH2. Then this is how many carbon here? 3 carbon. Then always you should, when more than one functional group is there, we have to follow the periodic order. Alkene generally is spread than aldehyde, then aldehyde always give first spread than this aldehyde ketone or amines. So 1, this is 2, this is a 3. Then what we can say here? This is pro. Total how many carbon? 3 carbon. Second position is double bond. Then we can say here 2 E. Actually, E means how to write E. E remove, like add A. So remove E, add A. Pro 2 E non. Total 3 carbon pro. Second position double bond is the double bond in E. Aldehyde is the Al. Okay. Its common name is different here. Acrolein. Totally different is there. That's why this name is, you have to remember. Sometimes like this name also come in the polymer chapter. So it is important here also in the polymer chapter. Next, I will increase the number of carbon. CH, CH double bond, CH, CH. Now how many carbons are there? 4 carbons are there. Then we have to give numbering. 1, 2, 3, 4. At which position double bond? Here also second position. Total number of carbon 4, that's what it is called bute. Second position double bond, then 2 E and E. Remove E, add Al. So bute 2 E non. Now its common name is known as protonoldehyde. This name you have to remember this common name because it comes in aldol condensation reaction. That is also one of the NEMO reaction. Very important. So they may give the acetaldehyde react with the NaOH, dilute NaOH. It gives A. What is the A name? Acetaldehyde, protonoldehyde, or acetic acid, like some name they make. That time this name you have to remember. Again it will come in aldol condensation reaction, very important. Next, similar here we will discuss here. I have not written here all here IUPAC name and common. Here just you can continue. So next, for example, any substituent. Here I give only methyl substituent. If any other substitutes are may be present. Consider this is CH3, CHOCH3 and CHO. This is a compound. What is the IUPAC name? Always is carry the first number, second number, third number. Then 2-methoxy. Methoxy is ether. Ether is always substituted. This is my actual lecture is function. Then 2-methoxy, propane, ethene and air. What is the common name? When common names are there, the substituent positions are denoted with the alpha because this functional group next carbon is known as which one? Alpha. Next carbon is known as beta. So at alpha position we have the substituent that is called alpha methoxy. Alpha methoxy. 3 carbon common name what we call? Propio non-aldehyde. Propionaldehyde. Similarly, CH3, CH, OH, CH2, C double bond OH. Now hydroxy group. Hydroxy group is the aldehyde acid, which is the carrier first priority aldehyde only 1, 2, 3, 4. Then it is called according to number in third position 3 hydroxy. When 4 carbon common in what is that? So IUPAC we are right. So 3 hydroxy, butane, ethene and air. Similarly, in common name, that is a function of next carbon alpha air, beta air carbon. Then beta hydroxy, total 4 carbon.